What's that key level, Jim?
Well, look, if you look back to the last week of March, there was a series of about 4 highs that correspond to the 2 lows from today and from yesterday. Let's call it 2620 to 2640. Now, if you look at it, like to me, when I look at technicals, technicals are more important to me than anything else, but the fundamental story is often fascinating that follows with it. To me, what it's telling us by staying above that, because remember, we blew through those levels on Monday over the belief, we had seen 3 good days in a row of data coming out of New York, which New York now seems like the microcosm that everyone's studying for the progression of the virus. 3 good days in a row. Now, yesterday was not a good day, and we started to challenge our thesis a little bit. So it's dependent on that, obviously, but I think what it's telling us right now, to me, is pretty clear, and that's saying that things are getting better, and the stock market has latched on to the optimistic view of this, and that's, sometime may return.
If somebody wants to add a bit more protection, though, at the meantime, Jim, do you think gold's looking good now, or has it rallied too much already?
Gold is interesting in that you'd expect in a situation like this where the world's central banks are throwing everything at this, that gold would have flown higher. And it did, except for a couple different instances where it was pummeled, which it seemed like because a need for funding from hedge funds, margin calls. I do think personally, I do have some gold. I think gold could do pretty well there. I want to see it go above 1,700 and feel comfortable there. But again, it's just a fundamental story about a ton of central bank money being thrown at this problem globally.
Jim, can OPEC save oil?
No, OPEC can support the price a little bit. I think we should take baby steps here. I think there's probably still a lot of shorts in oil, even though some of them were flushed out last week. And OPEC and Russia, if they came to an agreement, I think they could support the price pretty good. But, there's been just ultimate demand destruction. I have the same tank of gas I've had for a month, and, I normally blow through one every 2 or 3 days. That's just translate that globally, and no, they can't save it, but they can support it for now. But the economy has to come back for us to really save it.
Jim,